Hey viewer, a warm welcome to you. In this video, I am going to plant mint in non-drainage glass jar. I have prepared mint cuttings before 5 days of planting, and you can see the roots here. To plant these mints, we need a glass jar, pebbles, soil, mint cuttings and thread for decoration. First, add few pebbles at the bottom of the jar and then fill the jar with the garden soil. Now insert the cuttings into the soil at least 2 inches deep. And then add some more soil on the top and water the jar till water reaches the bottom. Now you can decorate the jar with whatever creativity you think of. I am decorating the jar with the thread. After 3 to 4 days, you will see some small leaf growing. This way, you will have a nice planter for your kitchen and continuous supply of mint.
I will talk about non-drainage containers in upcoming video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to Garden channel.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.